Watch out. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Don't honk here.
Move, you dumb dog.
Mom.
What?
I don't know where he is.
He's right there.
He is either.
Mom, just. Oh my god, I'm so afraid you're gonna hit.
Am I filming when it's blinking?
Yes.
Oh. How fun was that one, Mom?
Look at that cat there. They're a dead stop. Look at him.
Ryan. Oh, look, he's feeding. Oh, look, they're feeding.
Oh, watch out.
Oh, look.
What? I know, but you just have to hit that one.
You just gotta be careful. Here.